Index, and we have Rahul Sharma, who is joining us from JM Financial Technical and Derivative Desk. Rahul, afternoon. Thank you so much for your time. Let's get your call on the market setup first, both Nifty and Bank Nifty after the almost 10% rebound, and then we talk about individual ideas.
Yeah, so Nifty has clearly gotten back into its stable zone as India VIX has come back below its key averages, and we are seeing since at least the intraday volatility has come down significantly. So the way we are reading this is now back to a buy on dip market. Individual, like you said, individual stock specific plays will be the theme of the market. After such a big move, we are expecting time correction to happen, but overall the undertone of the market is very much bullish, and we will not be surprised if after about 5 months of choppy, like if you see the monthly charts, we've been forming doji candles on the monthly charts, and this could very well be that month where we see a decisive candle being formed on the same. So we are looking to buy around the 23,000 mark, very strong support area. In case that level comes, the risk reward will be very, very favorable for the rest of this month. And on the upside, structurally, we are seeing this Nifty head towards the 25,000 mark over the next 3 to 6 months kind of a time frame. So the bull market is very much on. It's just that market is changing gears, especially on the sectoral front. So one sector that we like particularly is the IT space. IT has reversed last week following the rate cut by the ECB, and we feel that the quality of recovery over the last 7 trading sessions has been one of the best so far that we've witnessed. That is indicating that there is a proper technical reversal on the cards, which means over the next few months we could very well see IT sort of playing up the catch-up game, and which could translate into a return of around 15 to 20% at the index level. So we are very bullish on the IT space, especially from a medium-term perspective.
Right. What about your trading ideas, your independent trading ideas?
Yeah, so there are two of them. One on the real estate pack, we are liking DLF at these prices. The stock had its correction last month, and now it has come out of the woods. We feel the stock should head towards the 950 and above mark, so one can look to buy DLF at these prices. The risk reward is very favorable for fresh long addition at this point in time. And another stock that we like is from the metals and mining space. NMDC looks pretty solid at these levels, can be bought for a target of 300, and again very strong support at the 250 mark, which can act as a stop loss for the long duration.
Point taken. Hi Rahul, this is Anisha joining in the conversation. I understand you came back after a long break. Did you feel like the market had changed quite a bit from the moment you were gone to when you came back, or it was pretty much same?
Yeah, absolutely missed that meat of action that we saw around the election outcome. Definitely the way the charts have shaped up, a lot has changed in the last few days. And like it is said, sometimes weeks happen in days, and that is exactly what we saw happening in the market. But the good thing is the nervous part of the market is behind us. Two of the most big elections that we have, one of them is done, and now probably markets will look forward to more global cues and how we take it up from there.
Okay, point taken. Any specific recommendations, Rahul, that you have in mind for our viewers?
Yeah, so sectorally, there are two sectors which are our top bets. One is IT that we discussed. Another sector which is coming out of a multi-week consolidation is the Pharma index. So Pharma index has been performing very well over the last 2 years. Last few months, it saw a kind of a consolidation rainbow movement happening in the same, and now the breakout has happened. On the large cap space, Apollo Hospital is something that we like very much on the charts. We feel that a new all-time high is very much on the cards for the stock. But even in the short term, one can expect a return of around 8 to 10% in the same. So structurally speaking, Pharma is another index which looks very good to be added at these levels, and one can expect alpha generation in this space.
Rahul, I want to discuss some of the large NBFCs with you. Shriram Finance, Chola, all of them are doing very well. What are the charts telling you here?
Yeah, so the charts have significantly improved in the NBFC space. Not only these, even the gold financing companies like Muthoot Finance, Manappuram, they have seen a significant buying interest happening in the same. So we feel that this month the domination could continue in this space, and we will not be surprised if another 8 to 10% move is seen in the very short term. Having said that, I think the best pick at this point in time is Muthoot Finance. The stock is very solid and stable at these prices, and we feel we can see around 8 to 10% kind of an up move going ahead from here.
Okay, point taken. Thanks, Rahul, for making time and speaking with us today. But
Thank you
shifting
so much.
focus to our
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.